One in a billion, मेरा कोई मुकाबला नहीं तुम आज बने मेरा 10 साल से राज यहीं चढ़ी गैंग 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 पहनते हम रोज रोज चढ़ी मैन सुनते ना किसी की भी कभी मैन सड़कें गवाही देंगी इतनी अपनी असल असल और वो कहते बना तू जानी मसल वसल।
There we go. हाँ मेरी स्टोरी कुछ ऐसी है that a lot of you guys have been telling me that whenever I go somewhere or make a video, I should not just record the sceneries and throw it in a cinematic way, but also tell you a story. स्टोरियाँ सुनने का बड़ा शौक है, हाँ? Anyways, in this video, I'll be telling you a story that how I went to Philadelphia, what did I do there, and what did I eat there. But before I tell you the story of my day trip to Philadelphia, subscribe the channel यार, मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, support करो, subscribe करो. So story कुछ ऐसी है कि दोस्त का था फिलाडेल्फिया में यूएस सिटीजनशिप का फाइनल इंटरव्यू and the night before he called me and asked me if I want to tag along and I like to travel and I was like wow this is a good opportunity for me to have a free day trip to Philadelphia. So I said yes to him and next day early in the morning we grabbed our coffee and we were on the road. We took the turnpike from Scranton to Philadelphia and it took us an hour and 40 minutes to reach Philadelphia. Once we were in Philadelphia, I dropped him at his interview's location and went to drive around the city. Philadelphia, also known as Philly, is a city of Pennsylvania. It is the sixth most populous city of the United States and the most populous city of Pennsylvania. It's not just populous, but it's also very old. In fact, it is one of the oldest municipalities of the United States, which was founded in 1682 to serve as the capital of Pennsylvania. This city is not just old, but it also played an important role in the Revolution of America because it is also the meeting place of the founding fathers of the United States who signed the Declaration of Independence in 1776. We are in the downtown of Philadelphia and the building in front of you is the City Hall of Philadelphia where the mayor of Philadelphia sits. हाँ भाई डेफिनेशन भी हो गई हिस्ट्री भी हो गई रोड क्लिप्स भी हो गए नाउ लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर समथिंग गुड
And what better way to start exploring Philadelphia other than the famous Rocky Stairs from the famous Rocky movie? Last time when I came to Philadelphia, this place was packed, like jam-packed. It was like very hard to even walk around over here because these are the famous steps and people are running back and forth, taking pictures, like thousands and thousands of people. But due to COVID, this time no one is here, no one was around and it was super easy for us to get a picture. And I really like it. I mean, less crowd, better. Things get done easier and faster.
So Rocky भैया से blessings लेने के बाद for good health and good exercise in the gym, I went back to grab my friend and he gave me a good news that he finally passed the interview and is officially now a US citizen. So we celebrated that.
Real talk, सड़कों पे काटी रातें चाय पापे अपनी संगत आज भी बैठे किसी ढाबे असली दोस्त और पराठे न नकलियों पे लगे नाके नुक्स वो ढूंढे मुझ में आके पॉलिटिक्स करें फिर जाके क्योंकि ये रियल है मैं देसियों के वेस्ट भी ऑर्गेनिक होके बेस्ट भी वो ढूंढे मेरी रेसिपी अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किसी भी लेवल का सहारा नहीं कोई भी ऐसा शहर नहीं जहाँ झंडा अपना गाड़ा नहीं फिर लियारी हो या बॉस्टन के माड़ी हो या ऑस्टिन ये सोचे शॉर्ट रन में सोचूं लॉन्ग रन 1 in a billion मेरा कोई मुकाबला नहीं तुम आज बने मेरा 10 साल से राज यहीं चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग चढ़ी गैंग
So after our celebration, I wanted to see the Eastern State Penitentiary, which is one of the oldest jail in Pennsylvania, and it is not just the oldest jail in Pennsylvania, but it's also the oldest jail of US, and is considered quite haunted these days because there are a lot of paranormal activities that have been happening over there. So I wanted to go there and see if I could capture some ghosts, but unlucky for me that the jail was closed that day. So instead of going to the jail, we went to the Hall of Independence, where the actual Declaration of Independence for America was signed by the founding fathers. So this is the actual Hall of Independence where the Declaration of America's independence was signed by the actual founding fathers. And as you can see, the furniture is still the same. Everything was still same. It just feels like yesterday. It's so beautiful how they have preserved this history. This is the famous bell that was rung when all the important occasions were happening. Whenever they had to gather the crowd in the town, like in the downtown, they would ring this bell. And this bell was rang and broken at the time when the Declaration of Independence was signed. So after exploring the Hall of Independence, just 2 blocks down the road, there was Philadelphia's oldest market. It's 126 years old today. It's called Reading Terminal Market, and the tour won't be complete if you won't go to the oldest market. Reading Terminal Market is not just only Philadelphia's oldest market, but one of US most successful and oldest market, and is located in the old subway terminal. So now let's go and take a walk in that market and see why is it so famous and what's in there. हाँ भाई, तो रीडिंग टर्मिनल मार्केट भी हो गई. Now at this point I was feeling very hungry because there was a lot of food inside the market, but there was nothing that I wanted to eat because I had something specific in my mind. Anyways, I still had to control my hunger because there was still one last place that I wanted to see before going towards the food and ending the vlog. And the last place that I wanted to see was the Philadelphia's Magic Garden. This garden is created by a mosaic artist, Isaac Zagar, and it took him 30 years to build this place. The art that you're seeing around me is made up of kitchen tiles, bike wheels, china plates, bottles, and all the recycling material that the artist could find. The entrance was only $15 per person, and this is a very photogenic place, especially for a lot of Instagram pictures. कैसा था गार्डन? अच्छा था ना? अगर आपको गार्डन पसंद आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि मैं आपको ऐसे और गार्डन दिखा सकूं। गार्डन आप करूं आपकी जिंदगी में। Anyways, by this time I was super hungry and I wanted some food, but not just any food. I wanted what Philadelphia is famous for. It's Philly cheese steak. So I googled around famous Philly cheese steaks places, and Jimmy G's Steaks came on the top with more than 2,000 reviews. Seems authentic, so I went there and to grab my sandwich. The menu was huge and I was new and I did not know what to get. So I asked the lady working over there and she told me to get the plain Philly cheese steak sandwich. That's what they are famous for. And guess what? I ordered that. The sandwich was super hot and super tasty that I could not even speak. But let me tell you guys, this was one of the best sandwiches I ever had. That was one of the best cheese steak sandwiches I ever had. Amazing, amazing. But cannot think of food right now because Ramazan hai, Roza hai, no food bros, no food. Anyways, after the food, we were on our road back to home. So journey ended over there. I hope you guys liked my day trip, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.